You gonna take that home too?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do for Halloween?
Papa.
Thank you. You want a little bit? Alright, hold on. I'll get it for you. Okay. Go put some on Grandma. Go put some on Grandma. Go rub some lotion on Grandma. No?
Daddy?
Yeah.
You should go watch the game with Grandpa.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
What is that?
What is what? It's cream. You put it on your hands.
What is that?
Grapes. Here's your-
Yummy.
Yummy. Why are you so cute? Oh, good girl. You're going to have a nice soft face.
Who would like some strawberries?
I do, I do.
Let's go in my bedroom.
You're going to go, you got to pull me. Making me dizzy, Missy.
Mommy's flower.
Yeah, we'll get them later.
You already put them in your bag, Nana.
Oh, no.
What are you getting? Don't take everything out of the bag.
I got that, Mommy's flower back. I'll go to my baby.
Okay.
Then let's go in my bedroom.
Alrighty.